नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। मोहतरम करम सामीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये मेरी किताब हाई फ्लायर जो है ना, इसमें 8 साल डिबेट्स क्विज़ और एसेज हैं। और आज जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ वो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने किसी भी ज़बान के बारे में क्या फरमाया है, तो उसके बारे में मैं बताऊँगा। आपने की 2 हदीस हैं कि जो बंदा किसी दूसरे कौम की ज़बान सीख लेता है वो अपने आप को उस कौम के जगह से महफूज कर लेता है। फिर आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने सहाबा कराम को हुक्म दिया कि इब्रानी ज़बान सीखो ताकि उसमें इस्लाम फैलाया जाए। तो उससे यह साबित हुआ कि कोई भी ज़बान सीखना अच्छी बात है। तो आज आप मैं इंग्लिश में ना इसके बारे में बताता हूँ। मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फेवर्स लर्निंग एनी लैंग्वेज। मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम में माई फादर एंड माई मदर बी sacrifice upon you said, if anybody learns the language of another nation, he saves himself from the deceit of that nation. He also said to his companions, learn Hebrew. Religious language of the Jews and Christians is called Hebrew. The holy companions asked the reason. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, to spread Islam. He also appointed a holy companion to learn Hebrew. That holy companion learned Hebrew. Then Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to dictate him letters of invitation to Islam. Those letters were addressed to the kings, governors, and people at the top of Judaism and Christianity world. They returned the letters. That holy companions used to read out those letters with translation. Conclusion. We can conclude that learning any language is good for spreading Islam, but we the Muslims should not follow their civilization. The importance of English. It is important. Its importance very much. We cannot deny it. It is an international language. It is the language of science and technology. All the original books of science and technology have been written in English. It is the language of commerce, trade, business, computer, and information technology. It is the window through which you can see the whole world itself and the world of knowledge also. In Pakistan, its importance is deep-rooted. It is the language of executive, judiciary, and legislature. All the correspondence is made in English. All the competitive examinations are conducted in it, such as PPSC, BPSC, CSS, PCS, ISSB, and all other competitive examinations. Interviews for higher jobs are conducted in English. Thank you.